Hi, guys. So, in our discussion, you had mentioned that you wanted to move away from rote memorization and give your students a little bit more of an organic connection to the material and have them do something a little bit more interactive that they could kind of latch on to and kind of use it to grasp material a little bit better. You were not opposed to the use of technology. The kids have access to iPads, VR goggles, which kind of gave me the idea. Up here, you see Google has a site called Tour Creator. It's vr.google.com, and it's really simple to use. I'm gonna walk through it. I'm gonna create a tour, and you just see how simple it is to use and the effects that you can get from it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Started. Open up Tour Creator. Here it's linked to your Google account. You can just start a new tour. You're gonna name the tour. I'm gonna call this one African Landscapes. And I'm going to select an image. Let's see. Let's do that. Boom. Oh, that's nice. And then from there, you just start adding scenes. Go back. Adding. Move my box over here. Create. So there you go. Now, to add scenes, Google pretty much does all the work for you. Yeah, I pulled up map of Africa. I'm going to move over to South Sudan. And just depending upon where it is that you are studying, there you've got Kamlesh Patel. You can add the scene. Gives a nice little 360 picture as a scene. For historic sites, you can look up historic sites. You can add points of interest. So you can highlight an area of the picture. You can give it some descriptions. You can give it a narration. You can add an image overlay. You can really just kind of make the scene your own. Add scene. So now, and you just keep building on the tour. You had studied The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. I believe he is from Malawi. So there you go. There's Malawi. You can come in a little bit more. That gives a little bit better representation of the kind of the area that he grew up in and the adversity that he faced. You can go ahead and add that scene. So, points of interest again. Add the scene to your tour. So then cancel. So now I've created a tour with 2 scenes. You can add as many as you want. You can add as many points of interest as you want. And then you go to publish. You can make your visibility public or private. You can leave it unlisted if you're worried about security. Publish. Now you can copy the link, and you can give this link to your students. They go and browse the link, and they're taken to your tour, and it gives them a nice little panoramic view. They can manipulate the picture themselves. They can see the landscapes. It's really a great way to get them involved in the terrain and seeing the different areas that you're studying. I think it's a great tool. I'm excited to be able to show it to you, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.